Hello, my name is Etima, and in this video, I really want to thank you for patronizing Hostfur. And we really want to tell you that we really appreciate you. You are the best. So, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use your website. And for the purpose of this tutorial, I'll be using this website, castleproductionslimited.com. So the first thing you want to do when you have your website is to try to log into the website, okay? And to log in, you just need to type your website URL, then put slash WP slash what? Admin, okay? So when you type in this, it should load you to a place where you put your website username and your website's password. So you have to forgive me because the internet is really slow, but that's what it should lead you to. Okay. So when it opens, you have your admin, you put your email and your password, and this password is the password we send to you. The email will also send it to you, but most times it always comes with admin at your sitename.com. Then you click on what? Login. When you click on login, it should be able to send you or redirect you to your website dashboard board. Now on your website dashboard, once your website dashboard is loaded like this one, most times when you come here, you can always click please update. That is, most times you can always come and update your site. But most importantly, you want to post something on your site. You want to post maybe something on it. You want to update your visitors on what's going on with your company. Okay. So to do that, you look for posts. Okay, so you use this one here, post. Just hover your mouse around it. If you click here to show you all the posts that are on the site, if you click add new, it will actually give you an option to add a new what post, and that's what we are actually going to do. So we click on add new. Like I told you, the first option will show you all the stuffs on the site. So you click add new post. From here also, you click add new post. When you click add new post, it will actually open a dashboard for you where you can actually what? Add what? New post and make what? New post. So we are going to wait for it. If you are using the all post option, it will open something like this to show you all the posts on your site. You can always use or click on add new. But most times I prefer you hover your mouse around the post and click what add new. So it's still loading. When it loads, it will give you an option to put in your website title. That is the title of what you want to post. It will also give you an option to put in a description. That is to put in what you really want to post on the site. Okay. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So now you see, like I told you, it will give you to add a title. So let's say you want to put welcome to Castle Media Castle Production Limited, and put that. Then you can make a short article on what you want to write. Do you understand? Then there's a plus sign here, and there's also a plus sign here. You can use any one. The use of this is for you to add things to your article. For example, if you want to add an image, it will give you something like this. You can type image. It will give you an option. So you click on the image, it will bring out a place where you can actually upload your image, and you can upload image from your computer and put it in. Do you understand? So it works like that. If you also want to delete it, you can also delete it from here. You click on these three buttons here, look for delete. You can click on move what, remove what, block. Okay, so that's it, as simple as that. If you want to add text, you can click what, paragraph, and add your text. Anything you want to add. If you want to remove it, you can also what, remove it. But the most important thing is, after posting what you want to post, be sure to what, publish your post, which is very very what, important. So thank you. This is how you post on your site. And when you post on your site, it will actually reflect on the blog what, session. On the blog session, you will able to see your posts. Let's say you go to the site, remember to publish. You now go to your site and you will see it on the blog. When you click the blog, you see the update you made on your site. Thank you very much. It's a very short video on how you can always update your site. Thank you.